Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon, stay gold. All I need are your eyes, you're my arrow. Now we're running into the wild.
We are in Shenandoah today. We don't have much of a plan for Shenandoah. It's mainly just kind of drive, and we know a couple hikes that we want to do. We're not sure what order we're going to do them in.
Shenandoah takes about 3 hours to drive through without stopping. It's like 100 miles long and skinny. So it's a long park, and so to drive through it takes a long time.
Come check it out with us.
I see the light.
Noticed so far is there's a lot of overlooks. They are always right on a curve, so we have to make sure that no cars are coming. It kind of smells like a farm outside.
It does. It smells like manure everywhere.
Don't know if that's just the season or what, or just this place. It's not really busy at all, but it is a Monday morning, so that could be it. Weekends could be, I'm sure, are a lot busier, but it's not busy at all. This is part of the Appalachian Trail, so we've seen some hikers and bikers doing this. So really cool to see that like foot trail more on the roads that we're driving, but not busy. Beautiful, tons of overlooks, so you don't even have to do a ton of hikes to see the beautiful views.
Safe now, when the rain comes, we'll head for the high ground. If the stars watching over us fade out, we'll keep running into the wild.
We decided on a waterfall for our hike today, even though we've seen so many, we just love them. This is called Doyle's River Trailhead. It's about 3.3 miles round trip, so we're gonna head home.
Got back from our hike. It was 3 miles. On the way there, it was downhill.
Pure downhill.
And the back, obviously uphill. It was tiring. We're soaking wet.
And it's like the middle of the day, so it's so hot. The trail is pretty shaded with trees, but it's still just hot and humid.
And the falls are like, they're not worth it. They're not like, it's like a creek, it's not a river. We thought it was going to be big falls, but it's just a little creek.
But it's hard to say because we have seen some beautiful waterfalls in our lifetime, so it's really hard to feel like that was worth it, because that was a really hard uphill for 1.7 miles.
Yeah. It was like, I can't remember, I just read it, like 1,500, 1,200 foot elevation gain.
How's it taste?
Like a peach. I just installed this vent cover so we could have our vent open when it rains. There have been multiple nights we've had to have it closed because of rain, and now we can have it open. There's only 20 bucks. It's not the best thing, but for 20 bucks, I'm not gonna complain about it. So that was Shenandoah. It's pretty, but I would say it's kind of like Rocky Mountain National Park in a way. Not, oh shoot.
No, it's not.
It's a lot like the Great Smokies.
Okay.
Just lots of trees, lots of rolling hills. The Smokies I feel like were a little more rugged.
And you could like see the smoke. These ones didn't have like that smoky film filter to it. But it was like, the pullouts were a lot of the same. Like, obviously it wasn't the exact same scenery at every pullout, but it was just that rocky hills and trees.
As you saw, we went on a hike. I would not recommend that hike to anybody. It was like a creek waterfall. I think we were expecting something a lot bigger. And as we said before, we've seen a lot of pretty waterfalls, so we had high expectations.
And it was a hard hike. We are out of shape, but it was hard hike for us. Full uphill on our way back. Yeah. Wanting to get home and to the bus. But we only went about halfway of Shenandoah. And you can see we dipped out of the halfway mark and went and rewarded ourselves with some ice cream. Smiley's ice cream. Yeah. It was a detour, but we heard it was great ice cream, so we went and checked it out. We now are super excited because we are going to head north and go to a lot of states that we haven't been to any of the ones that we've been to, but more new states to explore and new places. So we're
different terrain, kind of. Yeah. I don't know. I think we're gonna get more into the pines, possibly. I don't know. We've never been there, so thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with our journey with us, and like always, like, subscribe, and we appreciate you guys. See ya.
We can head for the sun, it will always guide you home.
Okay. Are you starting or me?
So that was...
I was just going like this with my bun. Okay.